China Park or Sino Mall is a shop specializing in Chinese food items, situated on street number 12, Phase 6, Karachi. For finding this place easily, you can use Google Maps. The directions are available online. You can also reach out to them on call, with shown number on screen for assistance with locating their address and to learn more about what the store has to offer. At this store, you'll discover a diverse selection of sauces including fish sauce and various types of soy sauce. They also provide everything you need to prepare hot pot soup, excluding vegetables. Many nearby restaurants also source their hot pot soup ingredients from this store. In addition, they have a diverse selection of instant noodles sourced from Korea and China available at the store. Please ensure to check for the Halal Food tag on each item, as there are also non-halal options available, including pork, intended for non-Muslim customers. This allows for a clear distinction and choice based on dietary preferences and religious considerations. In addition to their extensive selection of Chinese spices, pastes such as gochujang, and a diverse range of instant noodles from Korea and China, this store also caters to diverse dietary needs with halal-certified beverages and an array of different teas. Whether you're exploring new flavors or seeking specific ingredients, you'll find a wide array of options to enhance your culinary adventures at this location. You can explore dried Chinese seeds, an assortment of dried mushrooms, kumps, and a selection of non-halal sausages, all thoughtfully curated to satisfy different tastes and cooking preferences. Here, you can explore a variety of fresh and frozen items, including beef, crab sticks, shrimp balls, fish balls, and dumplings. Whether you're looking to prepare a quick meal or add fresh ingredients to your recipes, this refrigerated section offers a convenient and enticing selection to explore for your culinary needs. If you'd like to stay updated with more content like this, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you.